As a teenager, we tend to be self-absorbed, self-centered, and even a bit selfish. We always think for ourselves first and rarely think beyond that. Because of this kind of behavior, we get punished. So being a teenager really messed up our behavior, which in my theory, I attributed it to hormones and rebellion to be free from my parents' grasp. I want to be independent, but I didn't realize I do it in a crooked way. Thus, I lose their trust, but thankfully, my parents' training and consistent discipline will be true. So, this talk is about how to make your parents trust you and hopefully not lose the trust. Before I go on further, please subscribe to support my channel and please share it to your friends and family. 1. Be obedient. Parents love an obedient child, and it's synonymous to being trustworthy. 2. Walk the talk. When you say your school ends at 5 p.m. and you will be home by 6, your parents expected you to be home by that time. And if you can't do that, then you need to tell them ahead of time why you can come home at expected time. So, whatever promises you make to your parents, make sure you follow it through. 3. Don't ever lie. Once you get caught, your parents will always doubt you, even if you tell the truth. It's hard to erase from their memory once you break the trust. Although they love you unconditionally, it's hard to earn back the trust you break once you lied. And only through trustworthy behavior, you can gain back that trust again. 4. Don't ignore their warnings. These are subtle hints that they started to doubt your behavior. So use that cleverness into a good way and behave free from suspicion. 5. Don't break the house rules. Breaking them will not only get you punishment, but also you will lose their trust. Once you lose their trust, it will take time to gain them back again. If you have more suggestions on how to make your parents trust you, please comment down below. Remember, being trusted by parents gives a lot of benefits and good quality life, and less suffering too. So stop being stupid and start earning their trust and never lose it again.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.